Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today I have the last video about the Stassie and Kylie Cosmetics collaboration, the baby collection. This is the lipstick with lip liner and I've got two lip glosses. So I want to test both of the lip glosses, but I'm going to start with the lip liner and lipstick. So it is the lip liner is a dark nude. This is the 816 Stassie Baby. And this is the liquid lipstick 816 Stassie Baby. So they are made for each other, but you can see that the lipstick has a more pinkish undertone, peach, and this is more brown. Oh, it's my middle finger. Ah! Sorry. I was not flipping you off. So, lip liner. Oh, that is very smooth. I really like the lip liners of the Kylie Cosmetics. So they are smooth, they glide on easily, you don't need to work for it or your lip is going to scratch. No, that's just all fine. I really like lip liners by Kylie Cosmetics because they are so buttery. Then that liquid lipstick. As I said, this is more like a peachy undertone. It is still a, still a nudish range, but darker. I like the lip color, but does it necessarily goes with the eyeshadow? The blues and pinks? No. And I think the whole palette and the whole idea is made up around the blue and the pink because of the baby collection, blues and pinks. So I was expecting more a lighter pink lipstick than this, but you won't hear me complain because this is a color that I will wear daily. So I'm happy with that part. Then we've got the High Gloss 342 Gonna Get Wasted. Let me see. This is that lighter pink color. What I would wear with this makeup. I think then what I would do is wear it on its own. But it's nice, it's buttery. It is really high shine, as they say on the bottle. So that's all true. I like it. I'm not a gloss person, but this is what I mean with I'm not a gloss person, you know? I had it also with the candle lip gloss that, yeah, okay. So, I'm not a gloss person or fan. You need to like it, I think. Maybe on this way it's better, but to have a thick layer of gloss on my lips, that's not me, people. And now you really lose that high shine finish. It is now more like a satiny feel. And if you put that on top of the liquid lipstick and you are getting that off, then you get everything off, as you can see. So now we've got the High Gloss 010 Twinning. It is a nice transparent gloss. So I am sampling some on my hand because I don't like it when applicators of transparent glosses with glitter is going to be filthy off my lip. So getting a brush, picking it up. So it is a transparent with a glitter in it. It's very nice, it's very subtle. This is also something that I would use on its own without anything underneath it. And more for in the summer, for instance, that when I'm going out and I want something on my lip, but it has to have that gloss. Yeah. Okay, now it's better. And maybe because this is a transparent that you won't see those threads that much, but I like the combination of that lip liner and this one with each other. It's very stunning. So this was the last video about the lipsticks and lip glosses from the Kylie and Stassie collection. And if you would like to see them, you can watch it here. Both of the videos, I will link them both. So first the first one, then the second one up here. And but to have a recap of all the products. The eyeshadow palette, I like it. It's very subtle. It has a lot of pastel colors in it, so you have to layer it down to get that, yeah, desired pigment. The pigment is there, but from some colors it is a little bit less and some colors it's a little bit more. But I like the subtlety of this palette. And the shimmers are very nice. The eyeliners are a no-go for me. If you want to see it, just click on this link and see why not. The liquid lipstick, the color of that one is very nice. I would use that daily if it's me. The lip liner are always a dream to work with because they are very subtle and smooth. For the liquid lipstick, it is, I have said it before, it is drying on my lip. If you want to, you can put an essential oil on your lip before you are going to wear it, but mind that it really has to get into your lip and wipe off the excess before you apply the liquid lipstick, otherwise it won't dry on your lip and it will stain as well. So, and this was it for this liquid lipstick lip gloss video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!